video. So today I will be opening 70 albums. Hungry. So first, before I open this, we'll show the poster. I bought this from the pre-orders, which if I bought one album I got one poster. So I don't know, I forgot I think it got random. So let's check first. Again, I asked for the folded one because I don't have any space for folded. I mean rolled. So let's check. The performance team. Fun fact: June, same birthday with me. That's all. Kurangnya. She's so cute. There's okay. The second poster. I think I got the same poster. Let's just check. Then hip hop. Banana. Oh my god. So the only poster I don't got is the vocal one. If I got the vocal, I actually planned to do this video collaborating with my friend, but I don't know if they already got the album. So I saw lots of people try to open this with some makeup cleansing water, some with hair dryer. So I tried with the makeup cleansing water first. I need to get my cotton first. So I got the cotton. Let's try open this without damaging it. I don't know which one is. I always confuse which one is Hana. I think this one is Hana. So I think that is my cat outside. Try to destroy things. So that. This one. Just gonna drop it under the tape. So please do it nicely. Make sure there's no stain left from the sticker. Working on the side. This is going to probably take long, so bear with me. Ooh. Got it, but that's okay. I think. Should I open it? Never mind. Let it bed. Good. Taking out album with the screw. Oh, there's the screw. But I probably try to DIY my album without the screw. I was traumatized watching their video, you know. So here's the album, which we have to do it ourselves and DIY. Oh, the bookmark fell. Let's put aside the pieces. Let's see which version I got, whether I got the performance, the vocal, or the heel. So this is the front cover, as you can see. So nice. Oh, I love this surface. Oh my god, hang on. I got the hip hop team. I see as groups. I see Wonwoo, Minkyu, and Vernon. Oh my god, I am happy because I actually thought of it. I hope I got the hip version because My bias in that group is actually Vernon, but bias tracker is their leader, Esco. So let's see. I'm screaming. Ah, look at this. Oh, Charan. Moshiso. Then we have Wonwoo. Oh, look at this guy. How come nobody likes him? This is so pretty actually. Mingyu, the photographer. The next one is, let's see how this model photographer did. Look at this. Look at this guy. The tall. Oh, okay. I have to watch. I have to Vernon one. Vernon. Fun fact also, Vernon is the same age as me, but his birthday is quite early. So basically, most of my favorite are the same age or a little older or younger than me. So let's see. Oh, look at this baby. Oh, why won't see that? Oh, look at this boy. He's so pretty. Chan chan. Finger remote. Then I have their interview here. So as you can know, hang on. Look at this. Kitty cat Wonwoo. Wonwoo. And this is Mingyu. Oh my god. Then I have the stickers. Nice one. Probably used it for my journal. Yeah. The CD for Hannah. Oh, excuse me. As you can see, the top of the CD, they put the name of the songs in their album. We'll put it back slowly. And then we have the lyric. See the lyrics here. I will assemble this book later. So put back. Now see who I got for the bookmark and the piece. If I got Vernon, I'm happy. So first let's check the bookmark. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I got Johan. Yeah. See? Focus. Focus on this boy camera. This focus. It won't focus. But I got Johan. Next one is Hook. 호랑이. Oshi. 역시 Junboy. Hold up. The next one. Wonwoo. So pretty boy. So that one is from my Hana version. So let's open the set version. Hello. Oh, I will put this back in the package slowly. I missed. Please forgive me. You're so sticky sticker. Into the package. Come on. There you go. Slowly. Into the package. Now we open the set. Let's see if this is still available. Again, I have to open the bag slowly. Prop, 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 prop. Prop, 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 prop. Prop, prop, prop. Prop, 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 prop. Prop, 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 prop. Oh shit! Oh no! Long process. Wait, almost done. Here we go. The screw again. Yeah. Set version. First, remove the bookmark and the PC. So this is the set version cover one. Is that coconut or apple? Again! Oh my god. Okay, actually the third version I think is random. I think it's random. Yep, random. But I got hip hop team, performance team, and vocal team. I thought of getting the Vernon and there's Vernon, I think Vernon and Dokyo. Cannot remember. But this one is so lucky. I'm so lucky. Oh my god. See the hip hop team. Oh my god, the front one is so cute. Camping. And school is trying to wreck my bias again. Look at her. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh no. Pretty cat. Mingyu, Hokushi. Vernon. I got a Vernon baby here. Okay, that's from the hip hop team. Now, the performance team. As usual, the front one is always like this. Horage Hoshi. My birthday is June. How so? T8. Look at T8. This is not least the mark. Tino. Next, Vocal team. Oh, the vocal team, they don't have the pictures like the both team have. Woozy! Okay, this small boy, small boy. If you can see this eye popping like this, Hyoxi. Jangan! I think the vocal team probably because they have 5 people, so they don't have enough cheer of. It's like you see Johan here, and then you see Joshua. Probably like that. Here's Joshua. Looking. My friend guys. That's not this. Sungkwan. So look at him. Very picky. Then we have the whole member interview. So just going through that. And here, the pictures. Look at the pictures. Then same thing. Stickers. CD. Back cover. And then the song. Okay, let's see who I got for the bookmark NPC. 1, 2, 3, hug! Hello, Mingyu! Nice one. Handsome boy. Okay, let's see the PC. 1, 2, 3. I got T. Nice one. Look at this boy. One last PC. 1, 2, 3. I got Johan again. Okay, basically I got Johan bookmark and Johan PC and Oshi, Tiek, Mingyu, and Moon. So that is all. I don't know if my friends already got their album or not, but I will post mine first. As you can see, I am not makeup. This is my natural, full of acne. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for those who watched this. I will try to buy album if I have more money. So basically I'm trying to save for the Japanese group JO1. The price is quite pricey because it's from Japan. So wish me luck if I have enough money to buy that. So that is all for today. So annyeong, bye bye, assalamualaikum, peace.